OpenSUSE and Fedora are two Linux powerhouses, but they take very different approaches. Fedora is Red Hat-backed, shipping cutting-edge software every 6 months, perfect for developers who want the latest tech. OpenSUSE comes in two flavors: Leap for stable enterprise support and Tumbleweed for rolling releases with continuous updates. Fedora releases every 6 months with 13 months of support, so upgrades are frequent. OpenSUSE Leap updates annually with long-term support tied to SUSE Linux Enterprise, while Tumbleweed rolls out updates continuously with automated QA testing. OpenSUSE shines with YAST, a centralized control center for everything: partitioning, networking, firewall, user management, and packages, all via GUI or CLI. Fedora lacks a direct equivalent, relying on individual tools or the command line. Note: YAST is being replaced with Cockpit in Leap 16. Both use RPM and DNF. OpenSUSE's zipper integrates with SUSE's Open Build service for packages across multiple distros. Fedora uses CoPR for third-party packages. OpenSUSE edges out slightly with more official build options. OpenSUSE defaults to BTRFS with automatic snapshots via Snapper, allowing system rollbacks from Grub if updates break anything. Fedora also supports BTRFS, but requires manual snapshot setup. Fedora feeds into Red Hat Enterprise Linux, but moving from Fedora to RHEL involves hardware and driver adjustments. OpenSUSE Leap is binary compatible with SUSE Linux Enterprise, making enterprise transitions seamless. Proprietary drivers require manual setup in both, but OpenSUSE simplifies this with one-click repositories. Fedora leads with the latest compilers, container tools like Podman and Selinux. OpenSUSE Leap is more conservative but stable. Tumbleweed matches Fedora in package freshness while maintaining rolling stability. Choose Fedora for bleeding-edge software and Red Hat's ecosystem, accepting frequent upgrades. Choose OpenSUSE. Leap for enterprise stability and powerful configuration tools, or Tumbleweed if you want a rolling, stable experience. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.